Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, comrades in this struggle, I greet you all in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Call me Sebastian Ogoni. I am a leader, a mobilizer for National Unity Platform, Acholi Sub-Region, Northern Uganda. I bring you greetings from Northern Uganda, and I bring you greetings from my dear President, His Excellency, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Comrades, today I am bringing to your attention some of the things that are happening in northern Uganda that you need to be informed about. Recently, we have heard of the fake propagandas that media house that are being run by those in the system of NRM are trying to blackmail us from the north with. I'd like to tell you that as NUP party, we have done a lot of great work in the region. And I'd like to thank and salute all the leaders in the region. I also want to thank our national leadership, the Secretariat, for always supporting our office in the north. Comrades, I'd like to inform you that in northern Uganda, we have a total of 5 offices. We have an office in Moroto, we have an office in Lira, we have an office in Gulu, we have an office in Arua, and in Koboko. And all these offices, we have only one persons who are supported by the national leadership, and they are employed by the party, and that is the office administrators. For all these offices, the office administrators, they are being supported. They are being paid. They are just like an employee in our office. But the rest of our leaders, they are not getting anything like a payment. This means we are volunteering to support the party. We are volunteering to stand with the struggle. Some of these leaders, they have families to take care of. Some of these leaders, they have responsibilities they have to take care of. But they are not given anything like a support or like they are being paid per month. No, that one is not there. All our leaders, they are just volunteering, which is very okay. Because we know that what we have come to do, we are not expecting even any payment from it, from anybody. We come with our heart to stand with the struggle, to stand with our country. And we come because we know the reward for what we are doing is only from God. It's not from man. But now, I'd like to bring to your attention the challenges we are facing. As I've said, we have responsibilities to take care of. And some of us, we do our own little business that we survive on. Our purpose has become useless because the regime has made it very hard for us to get a job. We can't get a job anywhere in Uganda here. Our face is now a face of opposition in our regions. And most of this organization, you find it is being run by somebody in government. So it becomes a bit very difficult taking care of your own family. The regime has also now made it even more difficult to get a job when you are in opposition. They have made it very, very difficult. It is very hard to get a job. So even the little work that we do, because the regime has made it very hard for us to get a job. We can't get a job anywhere in Uganda here. our face is now a face of opposition in our regions. And most of these organizations, you find it is being run by somebody in government. So it becomes a bit very difficult taking care of your own family. The regime has also now made it even more difficult to get a job when you are in opposition. They have made it very, very difficult. It is very hard to get a job. So even the little work that we do, they still put in their own obstacle. They put in their own blocks to stop you with what you are doing. They want to inflict more pain every time and again on us who don't support the regime. So my concern to all of you out there, as I talk to you, the regime has now started taking away the fight from the party, and they are now taking it to our families. Recently, I was invited for a family meeting in my village where I have been informed that some people have started calling some of our family members, threatening them that they will arrest them, that they will charge them in the military court-martial, that they are recruiting rebels because their son is supporting NUP. This is very unfortunate. I was recently arrested, and a man who stood for me as a surety also informed me that he received a phone call from some people he don't know, threatening him that they will arrest him and they will charge him in the military court-martial. This is now what they are doing to our families, and our families now, they live in fear, because anytime you feel like you will be arrested and be charged in the military court-martial for a crime you don't know. I send this message to the NRM that you cannot force us to support NRM, because there is nothing to support in NRM.